Okay, the Saturn V rocket is the best rocket ever built. Okay, let's just take a moment of silence, for the we don't make those anymore, but boy, I wish we did. Okay, so 30. This is 33.82 meganewtons. Okay, and the question is, what is a meganewton, right? How do you say meganewtons? Well, I just showed you how you say it, right? You go meganewtons. Okay, so anyway, hey, back to physics anyway. Okay, so that is our force, right? That's times 10 to the sixth. There's the exhaust velocity. It's very precise here, right? So then what's the fuel burn rate, right? So force times time is mass change in velocity. So let's see, we are going to do, if we want the burn rate, we make the time 1 second. I guess you do it for all rocket problems, right? And then m is what we're solving for. This is 2254.7 meters per second. That's a lot faster, right? But then, of course, it's a rocket made by a NASA scientist. 33.82 times 10 to the sixth. I know Mr. Duggan. If Mr. Duggan were here, he'd be slapping my hand. Okay, so I'm going to go this guy, right, times this divided by this is going to be this, right? So 33.82 E6 divided by 2254.7. Oh, I forgot to multiply by 1. Okay, times 1. Just kidding. Okay, and this ends up being, 14. I manufactured this problem because I knew that it was 15,000 kilograms per second, which is amazing. 0.77, right? Which is about 15,000 kilograms per second. That's amazing, right? 1,000 kilograms is about the mass of a small, imported car, right? A Toyota Tercel, one of the old Tercels or something like that. That's 15 of those every second being shot out at Mach, what is that? Mach 2254.7 divided by the speed of sound, 343. That's Mach 6.6, right? This is an amazingly powerful thing. This is the most powerful device, I believe, ever created by mankind. So anyway, yeah, there we go. This is so much mass that I believe 2/3 of the mass of the entire rocket was fuel for the first stage. That's crazy, isn't it? Which means, of course, when the first stage is empty, you want to get rid of it, right? That's why it's got stages.